Hello everyone, it's so nice to see you guys again. My name is Justina and I am the beauty influencer from China. Do you want to have a slimmer body? What are your choices for the body sculpting? Here I would like to give an in-depth explanation of ultrasonic cavitation, one of the most used methods of body contouring. This video is dedicated to those people who just start body slimming and also want to get the most out of it. If this is the first time you are in here and also you want to learn more about the ultrasonic cavitation, please start now by subscribing us and also clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, no more blah blah blah, let's get to the point. Before we go any further, we need to figure out this. What is ultrasonic cavitation? Ultrasonic cavitation is a non-invasive cosmetic treatment uses the low-frequency sound wave to break down the fat cells in the target body area. The procedure is often used to contour the body and also reduce the cellulite. Next, how does ultrasonic cavitation work? During the cavitation treatment, the handheld device is applied to the skin in the target area. The device releases low-frequency sound waves that can penetrate to your skin and also cause the fat cells to vibrate. The vibration causes the fat cells to break down into the tiny particles, which can eliminate it from the body through the lymphatic system. Let's continue. Who is eligible for body cavitation treatment? People with localized fat on any body parts, for example, your chin, your upper arms, your abdomen, your waist, your thigh, etc. And the BMI below 25 are good candidates for the treatment. However, the following individuals should not undergo the procedure: pregnant and breastfeeding women, person showing skin fold lower than 2 centimeters, infection or inflammation in the region where the procedure should be done, individual with the history of malignancy, people with the cardiac pacemaker and also the other mental implants, person with coagulation disorder and also taking medication that affect the blood clotting, individual with several medical conditions like diabetes and also osteoporosis. Then here comes another question. Which body part is best for the cavitation treatment? Ultrasonic cavitation works best on parts with localized fat. Such areas include abdomen, flanks, thigh, hips, and your upper arms. This procedure cannot be performed on your neck, your head, and also the other bony areas of your body. Next, how much does ultrasonic cavitation cost? The cost of ultrasonic cavitation in the USA can be vary depending on the various factors, such as the clinic, the location, and also the numbers of the treatment sessions, and also the size of the treatment area. On average, the cost of the single the cavitation treatment in the United States usually will cost around $100 to $350 US. The total cost of treatment may depend on the number of sessions recommended. It is important to note that the multiple sessions may be required to achieve the desired results. And next, you may be wonder, what will happen during the ultrasonic cavitation treatment? On the day, your doctor may ask you to undress in private and also put on the gown, depending on the areas of your body that you are treating. Your doctor will clean the treatment area. Then they use a handheld ultrasound device to go over the target area of your body slowly. You may feel warm during the procedure and also hear the buzzing sound from the ultrasonic machine. The treatment usually will take you 30 minutes to 1 hour. And what are the side effects of ultrasonic cavitation? Ultrasonic cavitation is generally considered as a safe and also non-invasive procedure. However, there are potential several side effects that maybe will occur, including skin irritation. Some individuals may experience the swelling, rednesses, and also the bruising in the treatment site. This is usually temporary and also will resolve your body cell within a few days. Burns. In rare cases, the heat generated by the ultrasonic may cause the burns or the blizzard, pain or discomfort. Some individuals may experience the discomfort and also the pain during the treatment if the machine is not used correctly. Nausea or dizziness. Some may experience the nausea or the dizziness due to the release of the fatty acids into the bloodstream. Headaches. A person may experience the headaches after the treatment. It is important to know that the severity and also the frequency of the side effect may vary, depending on individual factors such as skin sensitivity, the thickness of the fat layer being targeted, and the type of ultrasonic cavitation device used. Let's move on and talk about the benefit of ultrasonic cavitation. The benefits of ultrasonic cavitation are numerous, including non-invasiveness. Unlike surgical procedures, ultrasonic cavitation is a non-invasive treatment that does not require incision or anesthesia. Target fat reduction. Ultrasonic cavitation targets the specific areas of the body where stubborn fat deposits are difficult to remove through the diet and also exercise. Improve skin tone and texture. Ultrasonic cavitation can improve the appearance of the cellulite, leaving the skin looking smoother and more toned. No downtime. No recovery time is associated with ultrasonic cavitation, and patients can resume their normal activities immediately after the treatment. without pain. The treatment is generally pain-free, with only a mild warming sensation reported by some patients. Cavitation has various benefits, but you can get more with a home-use cavitation machine. Let's check it out. Privacy. Some people prefer the privacy of using the home-use device, rather than having a technician perform the treatment in the clinic. Convenience. Home-use ultrasonic cavitation devices are convenient that you can use it anytime without booking an appointment at the clinic. Cost-effectiveness. In-home treatment can be more cost-effective than visiting a clinic for multiple sessions. And how to choose the home-use body cavitation machine? Here are factors to consider. Frequency and intensity. Look forward for a device with high frequency 40 kHz and also adjustable intensity levels. They will ensure the machine that can effectively penetrate into the skin and also break down the fat cells. Size and shape. Choose an ergonomically designed device that can easily to use on the different body parts. Some machine has the different size of the applicator to target the specific area, such as the arms, abdomen, and thighs. Safety features. Ensure the device has safety features, such as automatic shut-off and also the temperature sensors to prevent injury or burns. Reviews and ratings. Check online reviews and also the rating from the other users to gauge the device effectiveness and the ease of use. And next, I would like to introduce 5 hot-selling ultrasonic cavitation machines in my tray. Number 1, Airstorm S-shaped cavitation machine, MS45T2SE. Airstorm brings the powers of professional treatment to your home. This machine helps eliminate the cellulite and also lift the skin without expensive spa or surgery. Get salon quality treatment right at your home with our Airstorm. Ultrasonic body cavitation machine for body sculpting and also skin tightening. LS78D2SB. You can easily refine your body shape with this machine. This equipment allows you to target the stubborn fat and wrinkle in a minute, while enjoying a relaxing massage. Experience the effortless beauty now. Amnoization 6-in-1 ultrasonic cavitation machine for body slimming and also facial skin tightening. MS54D1. This machine is the perfect solution to all your body contouring needs. It combines 5 cutting-edge technology for superior body sculpting, skin tightening, facial rejuvenation, cellulite reduction, and fat burning from the comfort of your home. Amnoization ultrasonic 40K body cavitation for body sculpting. MS11R9. It offers a new approach to body sculpting that provides professional results right in the comfort of your home with a quick and easy treatment. This mini 40K body cavitation gives you the power to achieve the tone and slim body that you always wanted. Amnoization ultrasonic 60K cavitation for fat loss. MS12C2. This machine helps reduce fat quickly and also requires the minimal efforts on your part. With a portable 60K cavitation machine, you can finally get the body you always wanted without disturbing your current lifestyle. Can ultrasonic cavitation help me to lose weight? Ultrasonic cavitation can help to reduce the appearance of cellulite and also contour the body, but it's not a weight loss treatment. Maintaining a healthy diet and exercise regimen with ultrasonic cavitation treatment is vital for the best result. Is it safe to use a home-use ultrasonic cavitation machine? Yes, using an at-home body cavitation machine is gently safe if you follow the instruction and use it correctly. However, it is important to avoid using the device on the bony area or the area with sensitive skin, and not exceed the hours of use. How often can I have cavitation treatment? The frequency of use can be very dependent on the device and also the individual needs. Most at-home ultrasonic devices recommend to using 2 to 3 times per week for several weeks to see the desired result. How long does it take to see the result from the body cavitation treatment? It takes 8 to 12 sessions or at least 1 month, 2 to 3 times weekly, to see the optimal result from the body cavitation treatment. Result may vary depending on the individual consumption, diet, and exercise habits. How long does each cavitation treatment last? Since the procedure is customized per an individual needs, it may take longer for some than the others. Usually each session is around 30 to 60 minutes. Can ultrasonic cavitation cause cancer? Currently, there is no scientific evidence to prove that the ultrasonic cavitation will cause the cancer. It uses low-frequency sound waves to break down fat cells in the target body area. The waves are considered safe and have been used in the medical imaging, and other therapeutic application for many years. Are ultrasonic cavitation results permanent? The outcomes will be long-lasting if you develop a healthy lifestyle. And you also have to maintain the sessions. What are the benefits between ultrasonic cavitation and CoolSculpting? Ultrasonic cavitation removes fat cells by using the low-frequency sound waves, while CoolSculpting works with your body naturally. Respond to cold temperature to eliminate fat. Both are non-invasive cosmetic procedure for reduced fat and creating a similar silhouette, and are safer and less invasive than liposuction. And neither treatment is a weight loss treatment. So now I will show you the body cavitation treatment here in my tray, and also show you how to do the abdomen treatment by using the CoolSculpting machine. Wow, time flies. That's so much for today's. My name is Justina. If you like my video, please give us some likes and also subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Leave the message if you have any question, and also if you want to share a story, please leave it in the comment zone. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.